Dito nga makikita kung gaano kahalaga at kamahal ng mga tao si Kim Chu. Sa recent post ng Chinite Princess sa social media, kung saan may caption na, "Life lately. The past weeks have been a tough juggle between work and personal life, but I'm beyond grateful for everyone who's been there for me through it all. Taking it one day at a time, trusting that everything unfolds in His will." Ay ipinakita at ipinaramdam ng malalapit na kaibigan, fans, at mga kasamahan ni Kimi sa showbiz industry kung gaano nila ito pinapahalagahan at kung gaano nila ito kamahal. Tulad na lamang nila Miss Shasha Padilla, Baby Kelsey ng It's Showtime, at ang bestie niya na si Bella Padilla. Ayon pa sa komento ng isang avid supporter ni Kimi, "Proud of you always, Kimi. The courage you carry within you is something I deeply admire, and it inspires me a lot. I know you've got this, because you always have. No matter what comes your way, remember that you are never alone. We are here cheering you on, and reminding you that you are stronger than you think. Always." Dagdag pa dito ang mensahe ng producer ng The Alibay na si Miss Carlina de la Merced, "God bless you always. You're such a strong and amazing person. Keep shining. You've got this. Love you, Kimi." At sa pag-alis ni Kim Chu para sa ASAP England, ay bitbit ng Chinite Princess ang suporta at di matatawarang pagmamahal sa kanya ng mga tao. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.